I'm Mitchell. Welcome to another video in the RSP education series. Can you see safety? In some disconnect switches, you literally can, and it might just save your life. When it comes to industrial disconnects, what's visible matters, from switches you can inspect with your own eyes, to enclosures that are built to survive dust storms, chemical splashes, and power washes. Every detail counts. In this video, we're going to be breaking down 3 critical factors that impact safety, compliance, and durability. Visible versus non-visible blades, NEMA versus IP ratings, and the materials that make or break your enclosures in tough environments. Whether you're wiring up a food-grade facility or locking out a machine for maintenance, this knowledge isn't just useful, it's essential. If you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's get right into it. So let's discuss visible blade versus non-visible blade. With a visible blade disconnect, you can actually see the metal blade when the switch is in the off position. This is a big safety win. It provides visual confirmation that the circuit is truly open. OSHA and other safety standards often require visible blade switches in lockout-tagout situations. Then you have non-visible blades. These hide the switching mechanism behind a sealed cover. They might still offer indicators like a handle position, but you can't visually inspect the contacts themselves. These are more compact, often used in less critical safety scenarios or where space is tighter. Then you got enclosure types. There's NEMA versus IP ratings. NEMA stands for National Electrical Manufacturers Association, and it defines how tough an enclosure is. You'll see ratings like NEMA 1, 3R, 4, 4X, and 12. NEMA 1 is for indoor only, basic protection. NEMA 3R, that's for outdoor use. It resists rain and sleet. NEMA 4, weatherproof and water resistant, good for washdown areas. NEMA 4X, same as 4, but it adds corrosion resistance by using stainless steel or other plastics. NEMA 12 is for indoor use only, and it protects from dust and oil drips, popular in factories. Let's talk IP ratings. IP stands for ingress protection. It uses 2 digits to show how protected the enclosure is. The first digit refers to solid particles and goes on a scale of 0 to 6. The higher is better dust protection, or the higher the number, the better the dust protection. The second digit refers to liquids, 0 to 9 scale. The higher the number, the better the water resistance. For example, IP66 means total dust protection and high pressure water resistance. IP is more common outside the US, but both systems are going to help you match a disconnect switch to the environment it's working in. Let's talk material construction. Disconnect switch enclosures and components come in a few main materials, each with pros and cons. Metal, usually painted steel, strong and durable, very common in indoor factory settings. It can corrode though if not properly coated. It is cost effective for most industrial uses. Plastic, whether polycarbonate or fiberglass, very lightweight, very corrosion proof, good electrical insulation, best for clean environments or corrosive areas like chemical plants. Not as impact resistant as metal though. Stainless steel. This is the king of corrosion resistance. Ideal for food processing, marine, or pharmaceutical environments. Usually paired with NEMA 4X enclosures. More expensive, but worth it for harsh environments. So what did we uncover? Visible blades give you that visual confirmation that the circuit is open, making them ideal and often required for lockout-tagout environments or scenarios. Enclosure ratings, whether NEMA or IP, tell you how well your disconnect will hold up to dust, water, and the elements. And your choice of material, be it metal, plastic, or stainless steel, can be the difference between long-term reliability and costly replacement. Bottom line, the right disconnect switch isn't just about cutting power. It's about protecting people, equipment, and uptime. For a full line of disconnect switches and hundreds of thousands of other industrial automation products, please go to our website at rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.